Hi there. So today I'm just going to quickly show you as a student what you should do to try to access Whiteboard.Chat. So your teacher should have given you a code of some sort or a link, and you can just paste it at the top and just open that up. It may force you to log in if your teacher has set sign in. So you can just log in with Google or whatever it is that you do use. It's pretty chill, so don't worry about it. So from here, okay, at the top, you'll see it says student board, so you know you are a student. It says the name of the board, test 14th of July, and then your name here. All right, and then next to your name, you have this little drop down arrow. So if at any stage you want to download your work and save it, you can click on here and then do that. On the left-hand side, you have your drawing tools, the writing tools, erasing, uploading if you want to upload files from your computer or Google Drive. You have a variety of tools. Now the availability of these tools will change depending on what your teacher sets. Right now everything is open, so you have access to all of these different tools here. Then you have your other basic options here. At the bottom you can go to manage boards if you want to go to all your boards that you have saved. At the top, you have your basic undo, redo, refresh, delete if you want to clear the page. You have your zoom control. You have the option to change your pen color, to raise your hand, to set a timer for yourself if you need any help. Now, if I click on the drawing tool, you'll notice I now have a few different options here to control, for example, the type of pen that I want, if I want it to be a highlighter, to change the font size when I'm typing, and the thickness of the pen and the pen opacity. Okay, and there's also an option for the text font here. Okay, so that'll appear when you're using these options. Now, on the right-hand side, there's a new menu. If you click on My Objects, click on Gizmos, you have all the different types of manipulatives and stickers, things that you might like. They're all organized by category. So for example, if you needed to use, maybe let's just say you wanted to use an emoji, you could just click on happy and then click it to wherever you would like. Okay, then you have an option called widgets where you can add links, that you can access a basic calculator, add a spinner, add a website, anything you like. Okay, it's all in there. All right, just a reminder that at the bottom, if you do have multiple pages, you can just use this option here to go to the next page. Okay, hopefully that helps. Okay, let me know if you have any questions and have a great day. Bye for now.